down there, they don't know if it's for them or somebody else. If they thought it was for them, they'd be running up here like no tomorrow. Who got you, buddy? That was me! Hi everybody, welcome to Milgat Farms. My name's Kevin, and today we're going to be working on a gate opener. It's a one-sided gate opener, and it's lockable. We don't need a lockable, but we definitely need a closable. So come on, let's get this thing done. This is my gate. I use a chain normally for it. I even hooked up a little magnet that I really like. That magnet works like a champ. Check it out, watch. And that holds it. For alpacas it works okay. For cattle, absolutely not. So today I got this item to install right here. This is a gate latch. It's a one-way lockable gate latch. I'll leave a link in the description for one if you want to try it out on your farm. So I think this is going to make my life a little bit easier. At least I know whenever that gate is shut, it's shut. So let's get it installed. You gotta be kidding. Look at that, guys. They killed most of the water. Yep, that's a striker. Well, that ain't gonna work unless you go in the end right there. This looks like it. What are you guys doing over here? Hey girlfriend, what's up, Whitey? All right guys, looks like the only way this is gonna work is if I put a block of wood behind here. So I'm gonna have to go get a block of wood and get that set up. Alright guys, so I know it's going to go on the top. I'm going to install that first. Once I get this done, then I'm going to figure out where it's going to land and start working on that. Nope. Yep. How'd that first one go in? Yeah, baby. Almost. Now, almost. Now, hooping tall grass. Okay, so that's about where it's gonna go. So. We need a pencil. Did I bring a pen? Wouldn't that be nice? Yay, baby! That's unusual. pretty good. Why did that not work great? Kevin, you're an idiot. I gotta go at it. No, I gotta add another one. All right, guys, we got it. So it's working. You can see where I cut a little bit of an angle so that you didn't bump the frame against the wood, because it wouldn't work at that point. It's looking pretty good. I'm still gonna keep my chain. You just never know when you might need it. Guys, I got something in my eye. That hurt. Everyone, I want to say thank you for watching our videos. You spend some time with us here on the farm, and we really appreciate it. We hope you're enjoying our videos as much as we enjoy making them for you. And until next time, oh no, I gotta say, consider giving us a thumbs up. That helps, and we love your comments too. So until next time, God bless you guys. For you, we got a lot of wind, so I'm gonna... All right, guys, I want to say thank you. As much as we enjoy making them for you. There's something else I'm supposed to say. I can't remember, and it's my video.